Good evening. This is my submission for the Topcoder challenge Visual Force Multiselect Picklist component using Chosen. So I'm going to demo this one using a sample Visual Force page that I have built. Excuse me. So you can see that these two are like the chosen components. On a Visual Force page, I use the component to render two pick lists. So one is the choose accounts, other one is choose users. So it shows that select or search. So you can search and you can see that like the first option is all accounts and you have all the other accounts. So if you choose all accounts, it's basically choosing all accounts, and if you choose something else, the all accounts is gone. And if you choose this and then all accounts, the other one is gone. So it's basically mutually exclusive. So if you choose an all accounts, if there are any existing values that you chose, they will be wiped off because all accounts means like everything, all option. And then if you choose something else, which is like maybe a gene point or united all something, the all accounts will be gone. And you can see in the second option, the all is by default it is selected because in the code there was a requirement that we can say that by default all can be selected. So that's why I have used this one like all. So by default you can choose it and it shows the rest. And if you choose something else, it will basically go away. And let me go to the Visual Force component. So the Visual Force component is this one. Uh, so there is this component called unique. So it is not in the requirements, but I put it there because if you have more than one place where you wanted to use the VF component, make sure that you populate this unique value using 123 number of times, and you can basically render this component multiple times in the same Visual Force page. The all, which says that if it is like true or false, whether you want to display all or not. All default, which is again a true or false, which would say by default if you wanted to put it into the select list or not. Name of the all. So if you look at over here, the name is all accounts. So that's the name of the all. So you can define the name of the all. Width is basically the width of the two like element. So this is based on the percentage. So you can say 50%. By default, it is 50%. You can make it 75% or 100% as well. And the pick list is the map of the ID and the value. So that's the pick list. So if you go to the Visual Force page, you can see this is the component I've used. We have chosen unique one, that's like the first time, all equal to true, all default equal to false, and pick list is the map, and all name is all accounts. And in the second one is unique is 3, all equal to true, all default equal to true. So since I haven't given like all name, it is by default choosing it as all, and width is like 75%. So that's how it is. So if you wanted to add another one, let me see. Maybe I wanted to add contacts all equal to false. So what I'm doing is I'm basically adding another one. So I will be having like three elements. So let me refresh this page. So you can see that choose accounts, choose users, choose contacts, and these are all the contacts. And as you see, there is no all option present because I've set it as false. So since it is set as false, so you don't have an all option over here. So that's how it works. And the other thing is, if you wanted to retrieve the values that are selected, like if I select and so if you wanted to retrieve the values, all you have to do is, let me show you that. So these are the values. So selected 1, 2, and 3. So the unique value that you give, append it with the selected variable, and it will give you the IDs that are selected. So this is 3. So it shows us all. So you can see that these are all the variables. So if you wanted to get the values in your Visual Force page for the usage, you can basically use these variables and you can retrieve them in your Visual Force page. So when you use like selected 1, it gives you the selected values for the first, selected 2, selected 3. The same way, I mean, you can use any number of basically any number of Visual Force components. So that's it. And if you look at the component, it's pretty much simple. It is using, it is dynamically building everything using the unique. So I'm using unique here dynamically to create all the variables and create all the chosen components, and that's all. And I have a sample page to show you the usage, and I that's it. And I have a managed package and documentation as well. I hope you like my submission. Thank you. Bye bye.